Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the Earth Defense Force error code 3_4? This error often pops up when launching the game, leaving players with a white screen and a frustrating message to verify files. The root of this issue usually lies with corrupt game files or files that are conflicting with one another. But don't worry, we have few solutions. First things first, it's always a good idea to check for pending updates. Restart your device and see if there are any updates waiting for you for the game or for Steam. If there are, install them right away and then check for the error again. But what if there are no updates? That's when it's time to verify your game files. Here's how you do it. Close Steam and restart your device. Once that's done, launch Steam again. Tap on the library from the top of your screen and navigate to your game. Right-click on it or tap on the gear icon. From there, select Properties. Once you're in the Properties, select the Installed Files tab and then choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Sometimes, however, the error might persist even after verifying the game files. If that's the case, there are a few more steps to try. Start by uninstalling Epic Games, followed by uninstalling Epic Online Services. Then, head over to your game files and select the Epic Online Services folder. From there, find and run the Epic Online Services installer .exe. After you've done all that, relaunch your game and check for the error. So, to summarize, check for and install any pending updates. Verify your game files. If the error persists, uninstall Epic Games and Epic Online Services. Run Epic Online Services installer.exe from your game files, and then relaunch your game. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.